So ayun nga, mag-react muna tayo. So nakita ko dun sa Facebook niya is top 10 sexiest accent sa Asia. Ang pinakaunang-una, yung yung number 1 is Filipino or Philippines. Ayan na, Philippines. At pasabog dun sa comment section. Yan ang unang comments. Regar, mabuhay, representing grade 8 immunity. Diabetes. Also Filipino, someone baba. Are you going down? Somebody baba. Yes, I'm going down. Uy, pakarod nyo ng kay Sara Duterte Sara Duterte, please kayo na bahala na magbatripan niya. Oh, she mean it. When I say she mean it, like ganon. Tissue, fidgeter. Bakit wala? Indonesia. She mean it. Wednesday. Wash your name. Paper plate. Fried chicken. I love your Filipino accent. Say it again. Second floor. Washing machine. Stilan. Paano na yun ang Visayan accent? Kayo na bahala dyan. Hiligay or Ilonggo sweet accent, not Filipino or Tagalog. Ha? Number 1 si favorite, frigidaire, fishnet, fishbowl, toothbrush, toothpaste, noodles, face mask, shabu, chuswa, french fries, toothpaste, go back, girlfriend, 150, scotch tip, damn chair, chuswa, cracks me up every time, chocolate, face mask, company, lotion, peace towel, cucumber, floor, baby oil, ketchup, juice, Regar,